This is the solution video for section 6.1, problem number 9. So a lot of people have the problem with this one. When they look at it, they realize we can't use the quotient rule, so we have to deal with the fraction. So a lot of people split it up into x cubed over x minus 1 minus 1 over x minus 1, which mathematically is correct to split it up, but I can't deal with this x cubed over x minus 1 or the 1 over x minus 1, and so that approach doesn't work. And so what we want to do is we actually want to reduce the fraction x cubed minus 1 over x minus 1. There's two ways that you can do it. You can remember how to factor the difference of two cubes. And so you could realize that if I have like a cubed minus b cubed, that is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared, right? So if you realize that that's how you could factor, then you could factor it like that. But if you don't, then you would have to revert to synthetic division. And so we're going to divide x cubed minus 1 by x minus 1. And so if I put a 1 out here and then I write the coefficients of x cubed minus 1, 1, 0, 0, negative 1. So then remember the algorithm for this. I bring down the 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. And then I subtract and I get 0 as a remainder, which is good because x cubed minus 1 divided by x minus 1 does in fact have a quotient. So I can factor x cubed minus 1 into x minus 1 times x squared plus 1x plus 1, right? Which is what we would have gotten had we factored x cubed minus 1 into x minus 1 times x squared minus 1 times x, plus 1 times x plus 1, right? That's what we would have gotten anyway. All right, and then divided by, of course, the x minus 1. So, of course, the x minus 1s reduce. And so we're really just integrating x squared plus x plus 1 with respect to x. And so what is the integral of x squared? It is x cubed over 3 plus integral of x, which is x squared over 2, plus the integral of 1, which is x, and then plus our constant.